opportunity card? Yes guys, in this video we're gonna cover German opportunity card 2026. So hello guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain. If you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up class and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan. And before that, let me just clear you. In this video, we're gonna cover German opportunity card. If you are applying for the job or various things, then opportunity card is a master key, you can say, for Germany. So make sure to watch this video, share this video, and now let's get in this video. Let's go.
Germany opportunity card. The first question is, what is opportunity card? So the German opportunity card is a residence permit introduced for qualified professionals from non-EU countries. Its main purpose is to allow eligible people to enter Germany and search for a suitable job while living there legally. Unlike many other work visas, you do not always need a job offer before applying. This gives skilled professionals more flexibility because they can attend interviews, network with employers, and understand the German job market from within Germany itself. Why was it introduced? So why did Germany introduce this new system? The simple answer is that Germany is facing a shortage of skilled workers. Many industries, including engineering, healthcare, IT, logistics, manufacturing, and skilled trades, need qualified professionals. To make it easier for international talent to enter the country, Germany introduced the Opportunity Card. Compared to the older job seekers visa, the system is more flexible and opens the door for a wider range of qualified applicants. How long is it valid? The Opportunity Card is generally issued for up to 12 months. During this time, you can stay in Germany and actively search for qualified employments. However, this is not a tourist stay. You are expected to use this period to apply for jobs and attend interviews and build professional connections. Once you receive a suitable job offer, you can apply for another residence permit, such as a work visa or an EU blue card, depending on your eligibility. Can you work with it? A common question is whether you can work while holding the opportunity card. The answer is yes, but there are limits. You can work up to 20 hours per week, which allows you to earn some income while searching for a full-time position. You can also do trial works with potential employers for up to 2 weeks per employer. This is a great opportunity to demonstrate your skills before receiving a permanent job offer. Another question is, who can apply? So now let's look at who is eligible. The Opportunity Card is meant for non-EU citizens. You may be eligible if you are a university graduate, have completed a recognized vocational qualification, or possess professional skills that meet Germany's requirements. Some applicants qualify directly because their qualifications are recognized in Germany. Others qualify through the point system. In both cases, you must also be able to financially support yourself during your stay. There are two main ways to qualify for the Opportunity Card. The first route is through recognized qualification. If your university degree or vocational qualification is officially recognized in Germany, you may qualify directly as a skilled worker. The second route is the point system. If your qualification isn't fully recognized, you may still qualify by earning at least 6 points. These points are based on factors such as your language skill, work experience, age, education, and previous connections with Germany. Language requirement. Language plays an important role in the Opportunity Card. If you are applying through the point system, you generally need at least German level A1 or English level B2. However, meeting the minimum requirement doesn't necessarily mean you'll easily find a job. In reality, employers usually prefer candidates with stronger German skills. If you can achieve B1 or B2 German, your chances of finding qualified employment increases significantly. German also make daily life much easier after moving. Financial requirements. Before Germany approves your Opportunity Card, you must prove that you can financially support yourself. In most cases, this is done through a blocked account. where you deposit the required amount before traveling. For 2026, the required amount is around 1091 euros per month, although this figure may change. In some situations, a formal sponsorship declaration may also be accepted. Beside the required funds, you should keep extra savings for your rent deposits, furniture, transportations, and other initial expenses. And always check the latest amount with the German mission in India before transferring money because financial requirements can change. What is point system? If you are applying through the point route, you generally need at least 6 points. Points are awarded based on different factors. These include your education qualification, German language skills, English language proficiency, relevant work experience, your age, whether you have previously stayed in Germany, and in some cases, whether your spouse or partner also meet the eligibility criteria. The better your overall profile, the higher your chances of meeting the required points. Documents usually needed. Let's talk about the documents you'll usually need. You'll require a valid passport, a completed visa application form, recent passport size photographs, and your educational qualification documents. If available, include recognition documents for your qualification. You'll also need language certificates, work experience letters, and updated CV in either German or English, proof of financial resources, and valid health insurance. Sometimes you may also need to provide accommodation details depending on the embassy's requirement. Preparing these documents carefully can help avoid delays during the visa process. Here is your complete process in simple steps. First, check whether you qualify through recognized qualifications or the point system. Next, collect all your educational work experience and the language documents. Then arrange your proofs of funds, usually through a blocked account. After that, book your visa appointment at the German mission in India and submit your complete applications. Once your visa is approved, travel to Germany, register your address, and begin searching for jobs. As soon as you receive a suitable job offer, you can apply to change your residence permit to a work visa or an EU blue card if you meet the requirements.
So guys, I hope now you are having a very clear picture of German Opportunity Card 2026. I hope you have learned each and every and understood each and every point. We will catch you in the next one. So then keep learning German and German Gyan. Take care.